OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT and future versions of Siri, is getting a new feature to the ChatGPT app on mobile that will redefine the way you use the generative AI-powered chatbot. Just a few weeks ahead of GPT-4o Voice, the company introduced a new functionality called background conversations that lets you talk to the AI chatbot in the background while using other apps. However, it is disabled by default but can be easily turned on in a few steps. To find the new option, open the ChatGPT app on your device and open the panel by tapping on the two-line icon on the top left. Now, tap the three-dot button on the bottom and on the screen that appears, scroll down to find an option named Background Conversations. Turn it on, and now you will be able to talk to ChatGPT even when the screen is off. The current version of ChatGPT converts your speech into text and replies in a textual manner, which is then again converted to speech and read aloud to the user. However, things will be much faster with GPT-4o Voice, as the updated large language model can understand speech and reply in a similar fashion. Also, unlike the current implementation which requires users to tap on the screen to interrupt the chatbot, users will be able to ask GPT-4o to stop using voice. While some may not find it useful to engage in a conversation with an AI chatbot while doing other things, there are pretty handy use cases like asking ChatGPT about anything while working on a document or asking the chatbot to help with translation while using a navigation app when traveling.